Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We put this one go to the left. Next, we need to divide both sides by x squared. So we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. That is about 3 over s ds from here. And we have 3 ln s. Later that number 3 will go inside about natural law in here. And we have s to the power of 3. That means we multiply both sides by this one. This one we have 3s squared. This one we have s. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we need to use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have ys to the power of 3. Now I will concentrate on this one. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to the s. dv we have cosine 2s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 2 sine 2s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v the integration of sine 2s, we have negative 1 over 2 cosine 2s, and I will put about c. Negative 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2, we have positive 1 over 4 cosine 2s. And now we return back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Later that, we divide both sides by s to the power of 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.